What is pre-training in LLMs? Pre-training in large language models, LLMs, is like teaching a robot to read and learn about the world before it starts answering your questions. Imagine a robot that doesn't know anything yet. To make it smart, you give it a lot of books, stories, and articles to read. The robot reads everything and tries to understand how words, sentences, and ideas are connected. That's pre-training. Pretend we have a robot student. Before learning, blank slate, the robot doesn't know what apple or ball means. During pre-training, you show it lots of examples. An apple is a fruit. A ball is round. Dogs are animals, and they love to play. The robot learns patterns like, words like fruit and apple often go together. Sentences have rules, like subject-verb-object, e.g., dogs love playing. After pre-training, ready to help if you ask, what is an apple? The robot can say, an apple is a fruit that you can eat. Or if you ask, what do dogs like? It might answer, dogs love playing and running. How pre-training works. Lots of data. The robot reads huge amounts of information, like books, websites, and even song lyrics. Learning patterns, not facts. Instead of memorizing everything, the robot notices patterns. For example, big and small are opposites. Words like yummy often describe food. Keep learning. Thank you for visiting www.codingscientist.com.